Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a nice mode for the Redmi Note 10 and Redmi Note 10 Pro. A mode for beginners or for people who have problems to see well and so on. And yeah, it's a light mode. It makes everything more simple. As you can see, this is the basic page. We have many icons on one page. We have very small text and so on. And you can zoom in a bit in that scene. And let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here, then we will have here the symbol for the settings, tap it, and now we will need the point special features. So there's this one here with the purple icon, so tap it, and now we will need here the light mode at the end. So here we can turn it on. So just go here on the blue button, turn it on, wait for a few seconds, it takes a bit time, and then as you can see now we have we have less icons here on the pages, and we have also a bigger text which supports you also for the overview or if your eyes are not so good anymore. Yeah, a nice mode. And also if you enter here maybe the settings, you see everything is now enlarged and so on, so the text is much bigger. And by the way, at the top of the settings you can turn it off as well, the light mode, or if you want to go the next step maybe to the basic mode one day, you can also always have it here at the settings. And then again here the special features, so the one with the purple icon, and then the light mode, and here you can turn it off as well. And then you are back in the regular mode, and now you can compare it again. Now everything is a bit smaller. So I would really recommend this light mode for you if it's the very first time you're using a smartphone, because then it becomes more comfortable and you can grow step by step. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.